Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Amanda Massi and welcome to my YouTube channel, Massi Styles. This is really the star of the show, Opal, my dog. She is always a part of my life. She's a big part of my styling process, so I got to include her in my videos. Today, we are gonna talk about menswear and specifically about what to wear and what to pack for a winter vacation and a summer vacation. And then we're gonna talk about sunscreen. That's gonna be our skincare portion of the video. Whether you're at the top of a mountain or chilling by the beach, you need to have sunscreen. But first, what am I wearing? Well, I'm wearing my favorite boots by Naked Wolf. They're really comfortable. I have them in black, gray, blue, obviously brown. Big fan of this brand. It's actually a UK brand that made it big in the US a couple years ago. Love it. The knit dress that I'm wearing underneath, I got it at a really small boutique in San Diego that I don't remember the name, but I shop local. It's like a hole in the wall place. And then to spice it up, this is actually a jean dress, but I like to wear it as a jacket and wear it open. It's by Gani. I love it. Super cute. All right, that's what I'm wearing. Let's get into it. Guys, listen up. This is what you need to pack for winter vacations. Of course, we need to do the essentials, the gloves, the beanie, the scarves, all the things. So then we're gonna pack a couple sweaters. We're gonna keep it neutral. We're gonna do a lot of color. I'm gonna do 2 examples of an outfit, and then we'll do our outerwear and shoes. So, I love this Merlot sweater. It's very classic. It can be good for like jeans, or you can wear it with dress pants and then like a blazer on top of it. I thought this Jean Varvatos turtleneck is a really good alternative to a simple black turtleneck. I love the ombre feature of the turtleneck. Then we have our beiges, our quiet, silent, confident beige. This is a cable knit, really heavy, great for like the ski lodge, grabbing a drink after you snowboard or ski, whatever you prefer. And this is more for evening, kind of a lighter knit, but need that underneath for like layering. All right, here's what I'm all about. Print, color, print and color, all the things. Men, don't be shy. Wear it all. It's amazing. You'll get a ton of compliments. And that's the goal, isn't it? At the end of the day, getting compliments. All right, this is a good example of a daytime outfit. I really like these corduroy pants from Reese. And then this really cool distressed sweatshirt with a really cool graphic on the back. And then layering it with this Vince shacket. Yes, I said that right, a shacket. And then I would pair it with some black boots, casual, easy, cool, all the things. And then for a semi-casual dinner, I would suggest getting something with a lot of different muted tones in it. This is APC. There's so much color in here, but it's not overwhelming. So if you're not ready for the loudness, just go here. There's still a lot of color. Then this is a really great jacket button down type of thing. You open up the buttons, layer it over here. And then these are by Theory. They're wrinkle free. They're good material. It's a good wardrobe staple to have. Those are my 2 outfit examples. These are a great beige corduroy, really super cute tweed. Here, let me just show you actually. I would put this together with this sweater, really cute. Then I would pack a pair of plaid pants and I would do the Jean Varvatos turtleneck. Ugh, to die, so good. And then these jogger dress pants. Hello, amazing. I would do them with this sweater, love it. Easy. There's so many other combinations, but I don't think any of you are gonna watch it for the next 30 minutes, so we're summarizing it. Here's outerwear. This is where you can really add even more versatility to your outfits with this great blazer, this plaid blazer. This is striped, by the way. And I would pick one. I mean, to me, the more is better, but if you need to pick one, choose like one short jacket to bring with you. And then of course you need to have a long coat. Can't be freezing. This is faux fur, by the way, which we all support, thank you. And then this is a faux shearling Hugo Boss jacket. Really cute. I love this because it's extra, of course. This is more mellow. Shoes are easy for guys. It's boots. You need to be like functional. It's insane. What's snow? I live in LA. I don't know what it is. So you need to wear boots. Brown boots, black boots. Winter wardrobe, pack 2 suitcases by Lupont. They're really lightweight. They're great. All right, we're gonna jump to summer now. All right, so now we're going to talk about what you should pack for a summer vacation. Here's a summary. Obviously, you're gonna pack sandals and a swimsuit. I think it's good to have some cool t-shirts for a summer vacation. I really love this graphic. I think it's so cool. And it's nice and beige, so that's really versatile. And then a classic black t-shirt is nice. You can wear it during the day. You can wear it to like evening with a dark pair of denim. This t-shirt I love. And I think whether you're on vacation or you're home, doing a really high quality knit t-shirt is a really great investment. This is by Emporio Armani, and I just love the texture of this t-shirt. Highly recommend it. Here is a polo. I think it's great for evenings. It's a really great lightweight knit polo. And then we have some fun shirts, fun daytime that you can wear. I think this is really great by the pool, by the bar. A lot of cute things you can do with these. I think this can be a little evening. This is a little bit more daytime. And then for evening, it's nice to have 2 dress shirts depending on where you're going, depending on the type of hotel that you're staying at. It's good to have these light colors, nice print, button downs. And of course, no summer vacation would be complete without a linen button down. A linen button down is the only time you should have a pocket on your shirt. Even though this is way better, I'll allow it. I will allow it on the summer vacation. I do think also you should have something fun. Something super matchy-patchy, almost a little obnoxious. I'm obsessed with this. It's made of a towel material, so you can wear it to the pool and you're dry. I just think it's super cute. And it's made by Osis, a new brand that I'm becoming aware of. I like it. Of course, you need shorts. Got a nice linen blue short here, a really great soft white and blue striped herringbone short. Gotta have a pair of white shorts, and I like the cargo pockets on it. I thought that was a cute detail. And then really for evening, I know jeans evening, what? But you're in summer vacation, so makes sense to me. A lightweight jean is great, a gray jean is great. And then I would pick, are you more fun? Do you want a little more funkiness in your life? Or do you want to keep it classic? Choose one or the other. Or choose both, honestly, just choose it all. Just get it all. And then you have your tennis shoes. I really love these corduroy tennis shoes. They're every single color is on them, so you can mix and match with all of the items here on the rack. And then we have a nice beige tennis shoe, which again, very versatile with everything on the rack. You add in your sandals and you're good to go for your summer vacation. Now we're going to jump to skincare. Let's talk about sunscreen. Really important to protect your skin against the UV rays. So like I mentioned, if you're winter vacation or summer vacation, and honestly just for your daily life, you really should be wearing a sunscreen. Some people like to choose between a chemical or a mineral sunscreen. One is not necessarily better than the other. It's truly just your preference. But the difference between the two is that a chemical sunscreen sometimes can clog your pores and cause a breakout. And it also is very greasy on your skin. So if you have an acne-prone skin, it's probably best to opt for a mineral makeup. A mineral makeup is gonna be mostly composed of zinc oxide, and it's gonna come in a powder form. There are some liquid forms, but I personally like to use a powder form of a mineral makeup. Also, I read somewhere, I honestly forget where, but apparently chemical sunscreen can cause damage to coral reefs and marine life. So, fun fact. I'm gonna talk about mineral sunscreen. It works best for me because I have acne-prone skin and I find that it lasts longer throughout the day. So I like to recommend Dr. Dennis Gross's lightweight, wrinkle-free Defense Sunscreen. So its main ingredients is zinc, and it helps to protect against the UVA and the UVB rays, and also against blue light from your laptop and your cell phone. So it's great for just during the day, whether you're on vacation or not. It's just good to wear every single day. The other sunscreen that I love is by Dermalogica. It's called Invisible Physical Defense Sunscreen. Again, it's a zinc oxide based sunscreen. Added benefits to it are antioxidants like green tea, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. So you get a lot of bang for your buck for this sunscreen. You can buy both of these on Sephora. They're really, really great products and I highly recommend them. And that wraps up our video for today. We talked about menswear, what to pack for a winter and summer vacation, and I recommended great sunscreens to wear for daily life or while you're on vacation. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.